put a little bead sealer on the back of this valve stem. I've had some valves leak in the past. Hopefully this helps. These new Harbor Freight tire changers have a plastic bottom that it sits on, so it helps from scratching things. I'm not worried about that, but some people might like that, and it holds the rim on there really well. I had taken the tire off at a different time, and putting the soap on really helps. You can see later in the video where I sometimes missed it or don't have it, but soap it up sure helps. The duck head end of the bar that they give you really didn't help me very much. I've seen some people use it with success, but it didn't work out too well for me. As you can see here, it pops out. It wants to twist. There's quite a bit of pressure on it, and I just kind of did it the old-fashioned way of prying it over, just like you see here. Worked out well. Takes a little bit of work. These rims weren't too bad, but I have some other rims that are a little pitted, and I know this bead sealer will work really well for getting that good seal on there. And I'll be real liberal with the other ones that I do with it.
Well, I got it.
So I forgot to press record here, but it took me quite a bit to get this to pop up, and eventually got it. Took a little finagling.
Yep, got it. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy!
44. Yeah, buddy!
Yeah, buddy!
Yeah, buddy!
I was with a buddy
Hey, get back.
one time, and we had blown up a tire, and
Oh, we got hardly nothing in there.
the tire actually blew
Leave
up,
lots.
and he'll probably be watching this video and can verify it, but it can happen. It probably wouldn't happen with a newer tire, but it's always good to wear safety glasses,
Well,
and
later,
especially with kids.
right? Look at that, Riv.
Whoa, it's a big.
Pretty good, ain't it? Let's take it over here. Put it in the trunk.
Are you gonna bring that to school?
Yeah.
Why?
Give me a high five. Yeah. There you go. Took the valve stem out with this. Took it out of there. Forgot to press the cord. Now we gotta break the bead on this. Yeah, Riv.
This tire was on here for a really long time. It was hard to break the bead. You just keep working at it. I probably shouldn't have added soap on the top portion, because the foot thing there kind of want to keep slipping, and kind of want the soap to get in there, but you don't want it on that thing. And I don't think the soap really helped in this situation, but
Got it.
So many times I told you. My son.
Huh?
My son!
so the big question is, the tire changer really worth it? It might be. if you have slow moving vehicles, vehicles that aren't going highway speeds, and you have a few odds and ends to do, taking some old ones off rims,
Yeah.
taking your time to clean rims,
Good job.
and things like hay wagons. I got a hay wagon to do. I got a couple other tires I want to take off. So just doing about 3 tires alone pays for the machine, the Harbor Freight thing. So pretty much have this paid for now. And if I ever encounter something where I got to do something, tire, I can do it. Again, you can really see I didn't soap the bottom of it, and it's like really hard to do. Put a little soap on it, and it just slides real nice.
Yeah.
So in other words, don't be afraid to lube it up. Safety first. This wire grinder, these little wires fly off there all the time. I would never wear one of these or use one of these without safety glasses. And I put that big face shield on the kid for doing this too, so. If you take this to a tire shop, the guys, I've watched them do it, just lightly scrape the inside of this thing, and they take about 30 seconds to go around it with the wire brush. Doing it yourself is just way better.
See that? I did. Because I'm not being saying. Hello. I have emergency. I didn't do it. Somebody did it. He showed the whole museum and I didn't know it. Bye. He was White. It's hello, White. Nice to meet. You did it. Still don't.
Sorry about this small screen. I tried getting it to get a nice view and a little bit bigger, but I'm doing all the filming on my phone of all my videos, and it's not the best, but it does the job. yourself that nice pop. Sounded good.
Let you go. No, shit, my body shot. And my son. Woohoo! Happy birthday! It's you, good birthday. God bless you.
When you put these on, make sure and put them on by hand, not the gun. Because if you put them on with the gun and cross thread them, then you gotta replace the whole bolt, and that sucks. I've done it. So as for the question, is it worth it? Yes, it was worth it for me. I'll have it for years to come. Nice little addition. But for you, it might not be. You have to make that decision on your own. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day and make memories happen.